Murata has joined the international initiative RE100, which aims to use 100% renewable energy for its business activities. We aim to achieve a target of 100% renewable energy usage ratio for our business activities by 2050 and strive towards the achievement of social value goals and the realization of a sustainable society. Now, let us introduce 3 initiatives taken by Murata in climate change mitigation. First, the introduction of renewable energy. In addition to solar panels, Murata has introduced large-scale storage batteries as part of its factory installations. The feature maximizes renewable energy introduction using battery storage and control technology. Murata plans to expand it to other locations with the goal of achieving 100% renewable energy utilization rate across the entire group. Murata will procure a total power value of 130,000 kilowatts derived from renewable energy sources from Mitsubishi Corporation 70,000 kilowatts and Renova Incorporated 60,000 kilowatts, accelerating the transition to renewable energy. Furthermore, Murata has signed contracts with the Chugoku Electric Power Company Incorporated for the supply of green electricity generated by solar power generation. While utilizing our own on-site renewable energy sources, we plan to procure 50% of the electricity used at our group production bases in the Chugoku region from renewable energy sources by fiscal year 2030. Lastly, by setting a target of using 100% renewable energy for its business activities by 2050, Murata aims to contribute towards realizing a sustainable society. Next, let us show the introduction of an energy-saving system. At Murata headquarters, an AI platform and battery control system have been introduced as part of an overall building energy-saving system. The AI analyzes temperature and humidity, both indoors and outdoors, weather and machine operation data for optimal air conditioning. When there is a temporary increase in machine operation output, the battery control system assists in contributing to energy savings. Our energy-saving measures at manufacturing sites are: upgrade freezers, etc. to high-efficiency equipment, introduce waste heat recovery equipment, reduce equipment standby power, reduce air conditioning power by optimizing clean room pressurization. We implement approximately 500 to 700 energy-saving measures annually, resulting in a reduction of 40,000 to 70,000 tons of CO2 emissions. At Komoro Murata, we reduce the greenhouse gas emissions of our entire factories 2.2% by collecting various data using wireless sensors. This enabled us to analyze the energy usage and optimize air conditioning through energy visualization, as well as reduce standby power consumption of facilities. We achieve this through the introduction of an energy management system that enables us to monitor and manage energy usage effectively. Furthermore, we are also tackling new challenges in anticipation of the increasing utilization of hydrogen energy, which has a low environmental impact, to achieve a decarbonized society. At our Yasu plant, we are currently preparing for the introduction of hydrogen-related facilities. We are also considering collaboration with our in-house renewable energy systems. Furthermore, we are exploring new possibilities by leveraging Murata's core technologies. Murata has set targets that comply with the SBT criteria and is working in collaboration with external stakeholders to reduce indirect greenhouse gas emissions within the supply chain, known as Scope 3. We also aim to consider proposing renewable energy systems and energy-saving systems in the future, in collaboration with our suppliers, by providing support for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In recent years, social issues such as resource depletion and increasing waste volume have become more serious due to global population growth. Murata has set sustainable resource utilization as a key priority. As a long-term vision, we aim for a 100% sustainable resource utilization rate and a 100% resource recycling rate from waste by fiscal 2050. We will strive to achieve sustainable resource utilization in our business activities while also challenging ourselves to create unique value that only Murata can provide.